The lifestyle of an iron worker welder. I want to talk to you about that just a little bit because I have told a few people I was an iron worker. I'm actually a NCCER journeyman iron worker, and I'm an AWS 6G welder. Those combined made me I looked at it like a career that was never ending. Like, I could jump in and out of different fields, literally in the field. So even though these is hung up right now, say if I wanted to go jump and get a bag, I could easily make no less than 25, or I would say, depends on what state I'm in, no less than $22 to $30 an hour. You know what I mean? Just doing some easy stuff because I'm experienced. But it's all about using what you know. So the ironworking skills showed me so much when it came to field installation. Then my welding skills allowed me to combine and complete different jobs that I was doing faster. And by me being a fabricator, I was able to fix more things on the job. You know how you have those RFIs and you have those issues where you need to be fixed. You need a little fabrication. Something was cut wrong. Somebody put the clip on wrong. And you need someone that can actually fabricate, think outside of the box. So being an ironworker welder has paid off in my journey so much. And it's literally a career. It's something that I could pack up and take to any state and go get a bag. So, when I teach this welding, turning a trade into a business, it's a combination of ironworking. It's a combination of fabrication. It's a combination of welding, because I think that it's going to take all of those things to build us into who we are going to be, independent. Think about it. We are threefold. So why not be a ironworker, a welder, and a fabricator? Because if you all of those things, who can stop you? Who can limit how you live or where you can go or how you can eat or how big you can dream? But we have to start from somewhere, and we have to get that education that we need so that way we can grow to those levels that we really want to be on. But we have to start from somewhere. So don't knock the small beginnings, and don't just be so narrow-minded where you just want to weld alone. Learn the game in a spectrum if you can. Get all you can. Get on the job training. Get off the job training. Get tutoring, whatever. Just figure out what you want. And once you know what you want, just chase it all. Just keep your options open. That way you can do more with your time.